Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 6. We're two more weeks after this, and we're done. This is exciting. Just wanted to give you a little overview of what we're going to do this week and see if that helps you out. If you got any questions at all, give me a call or text me and then email me, and we'll talk about it. Here's my little announcement about this. This week, we're talking about really just one big idea, and that is the idea of momentum, and then also related to that is impulse, and they're really kind of the same thing in a certain way. You've got a couple of ways to study this. One of them, of course, is your regular lab, and the lab's kind of cool because you get these little cars that you can jump into or bump into each other and see how far they'll go, and that's kind of cool to do. It's also a pretty good little lab. There's a little bit of friction involved, and so you may not get exactly the answer you think you're going to get, but it's fun to keep trying and maybe make it as good as you possibly can. The other activity about this that's all related to the same thing is a discussion activity in which we'd like you to kind of evaluate this little simulation. It's a pretty simple simulation, but actually, if you think about it, you can kind of adjust the speeds and masses of the objects involved in the simulation and come up with some actually pretty good predictions about how things work. So there's those two activities, and that's it for this week. I hope you enjoy the work. I think it's kind of fun to do. This is kind of a fun lab. If you have any questions about that, as always, please feel free to just give me a call. I hope you guys had a really good holiday for Thanksgiving. Mine was pretty good. It was all right. But we'll make it through. And you have a really good day, and I will hope to talk with you in the discussions. And also, if you have any questions at all, just give me a shout. Have a good day.